The charter that we're launching has been something that we've been working with over the last few years, and it's about reclaiming that voice again to say that family violence is not part of our Māori society and our Māori community. So we needed to rebuke that, or we needed to make that really, really clear. This is not something that Māori, that is inherent within us as Māori, the violence towards our women and children. So we need to say that. So the charter is about that. The charter helps us to articulate that. And it gives every marae, every hapu, every Māori person or organisation the opportunity to say and to stand up and to say, this is what I value. That I will stand up and that I will challenge violence where I see it happening. That I will take responsibility in my community in some way and form to do something to support families that might be experiencing that. That I will acknowledge the values, the traditional values of Māori society that have always kept us safe, and that I will participate in the community in whatever way and form that it can to make the changes, to make Māori society and Aotearoa New Zealand society a safer place for all of us. So that's what the charter is about. So launching that kind of gives us something to aspire to adhere to. It gives a declaration to ourselves, to our families, to New Zealand, to the world, that these are the things that are important to us and what we stand for. So every signature that signs up to that is committed to that. You don't have to be Māori to aspire to those as well, but it's making a stand. So we're moving from being hopeless and helpless and not knowing what to do to actually standing up and taking some leadership around pushing those issues. So the charter is just that, it's a declaration, it's a kawenata. Now, the kawenata symbolises what Māori society was about anyway. We had values and rules that we didn't always articulate out forward. It was an expectation of us. So now we're putting those expectations down in writing and making them public.